Hi, my name is Susan. I'm one of the volunteer docents here at the Lincoln Park Conservatory. One of our most unusual trees is the Buddha Hand Citron, which has these very odd-looking fruits that look like fingers. People always ask me, what can you do with these? So I'm going to take you downstairs and show you some of the things that you can do with this strange fruit. So I'm going to cut this in half. And the first thing that you'll realize when you look at it is there is no pulp in this fruit. It is all the rind and it's all the pith. You can use it, the zest, like you would with a lemon. You can grate it up just like you would use lemon zest in cooking. But what we're going to do today, I'm going to show you how to make candied citron and how to make an infused vodka. First thing I'm going to show you how to make is this candied citron. What you need to do for this is just cut the fruit up into about 1/4-inch pieces. We'll blanch these pieces in boiling water for about 15-20 minutes. And then you're going to cook them in a simple sugar syrup, which is about 3 parts of sugar to 1 part of water that you bring to a boil till the sugar dissolves. And it tastes, it's a little more floral and less lemony than you would get if you did this with a lemon, but it's really good. The other thing you can do is just use the peel. You can use this to infuse oils, maybe an olive oil. Leave the peel in it for a while and you get that nice lemony flavor. And here I'm really just trying to get the yellow part. So I'm carefully cutting away all of the white part. So what I did with this, I put it in a mason jar. I added about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/5 of vodka. Put it in the mason jar and shook it. And it's now been sitting for about 2 weeks. You can see, I think, that the liquid itself is yellow in color, which it's getting that lovely color from the rind of the Buddha's Hand Citron. It is not ready to drink yet. It needs about 6 weeks, they say. And I've been tasting it here and there. It's going to be really wonderful, very fruity, lemony tasting. Think of this as a natural version of an absolute citron.